This is one, a simple line, a mark, but also the beginning of everything. Before one, there was nothing. No numbers, no counting, no things. Just the idea of none. But the moment something existed, anything, the universe gained its first 1-1 particle. 1 second, 1 moment after the Big Bang. In that instant, the number 1 became more than a symbol. It became existence itself. We think of 1 as small, but it's the root of all size. Without 1, you can't have 2. Without 1, there's no many. Without 1, there's no you. Every equation, every thought, every heartbeat begins with 1. A single cell dividing, a single spark igniting, a single idea that multiplies. But 1 is more than just the first number. It's a concept. In mathematics, 1 is known as the multiplicative identity. Anything multiplied by 1 stays itself. It's the number that doesn't change what it touches, but confirms it exists. 1 times anything equals itself. 1 times you equals you. 1 proves you are. In philosophy, 1 is unity, the universe as a single, connected whole, everything, everywhere, part of 1 continuous reality. When ancient thinkers looked at the stars, they didn't see billions of points of light. They saw 1 sky, 1 cosmos, 1 question: where did all this begin? Scientists tell us that the universe began from 1 singularity, a single, infinitely dense point of energy. From that one came time, space, atoms, galaxies, and eventually us. So in a way, everything that exists, every thought you've ever had, every breath you take, is just a ripple from the very first one we give numbers meaning. But maybe numbers also give us meaning. Because 1 isn't just a start, it's proof that something exists at all, that something can. This was 1, the first step in a journey from nothing to everything. Next, we'll talk about 2, because once you have 1, you can finally imagine another.